Today I suggest you start using Google Slides with Gemini, as this week I used it as my photo studio. I'm going quickly to share some examples with you. And so first, last week we spoke about Take Notes for Me, which is now a feature in Google Meet meeting. Right now we are using it. So I wanted to see how to visualize it. And now in Google Slides we have insert image, and then you can ask Gemini to create an image for you. There are options that the image has a square, landscape or vertical format, and it can have different styles. So here I'm giving you some examples. This is the vector style format for the prompt taking notes in a Google Meet meeting. That's what Gemini created for me. It can also be a sketch. This is quite nice. You see the sketch, and then if you don't choose a style, you can either have square or vertical format. It looks like that when you don't choose any style. And here I didn't like the watercolor style for the taking notes for me, so I asked it to generate walking in a winter forest, and this is what I got. So you see, you can have very nice tools to play with when you at work create content for instructions, for social media, for some guides at work for employees. So visuals come instantly, and you can have a large choice for visualizations. My tip is also I'm advocating that you start using Gemini either as a business starter, or Peggy has a very nice tutorial that will be linked below the video as an individual user with Google One subscription plan. So that's my tip for today.